Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove floor mats and slide the seat fully forward and backward to expose all 4 rail bolts. On many Kia Sorento models, front rail bolts are M10. Gather tools: 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm sockets, 3/8 and 1/2 drive, 6 mm hex, trim tools, and a torque wrench. Wear gloves and eye protection, and note airbag and seatbelt connections before unbolting seats. Take photos for reinstallation. Unplug seat electrical connectors under the seat, then remove the front and rear rail bolts. Use a 3/8 or 1/2 drive breaker if bolts are tight, and keep bolts organized by position. Support the seat as you lift to avoid straining wiring or seatbelt pretensioners. Disengage the airbag connector tab by pressing the release clip and pull straight out. When reinstalling, torque for front seat rail bolts is commonly 44 lb-ft, 60 Nm, and ensure electrical clips click back into place with no exposed wire. Fold or remove the rear cushion by releasing 2 clips at the front, then lift upward and forward. There are usually 2 bolts per cushion on the Sorento. Remove seatback bolts and any trim clips. Many rear seatback bolts are M12, so keep a 14 mm socket handy. Rear seatback bolts are often torqued to 25 lb-ft, 34 Nm, during reinstallation. Tighten in a crisscross pattern and verify alignment. After reinstallation, check seat movement, seatbelt function, and airbag warning light, then reconnect the negative battery terminal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.